Mrs. Welch,
Yeah.
when were you born?
Please.
When were you born? What year?
1914.
Okay, and she survived COVID
Yes.
at 107.
Yeah, she survived COVID. Yeah.
That shows the strength
Yeah.
of her
Yes.
body.
Yes. When she was 100 years old, she used to cook. Yes. Look about breakfast, look about lunch, look about dinner. And she used to take care of her husband when she was 100 years old.
The community of Blenheim in Hanover is known for having an abundance of fruits, a large number of mango varieties, turmeric, and for being the birthplace of national hero and first Prime Minister of Jamaica, Sir Alexander Bustamante. What many people do not know, though, is that Blenheim is home to Jamaica's oldest COVID-19 survivor and one of the longest living women in Jamaica, Mrs. Nora Welch. Miss Nora, or Auntie Nora as she is fondly known, has been wheelchair bound and a lot less energetic and unable to speak much since fending off COVID at age 107. But up to that point, she was out and about, bright and chirpy. Born in 1914, Miss Nora is 109 years old and is the oldest woman in the parish of Hanover and also the oldest person in the parish.
What do you think has kept you going for so long? Mrs. Welch, which church do you attend?
This church.
You attended Blenheim SDA Church?
What?
Blenheim Seventh-day Adventist Church?
Yes.
Okay. So you're Miss Nora's primary caregiver.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Zelda Spence.
And you're from Blenheim?
And I'm from Blenheim.
Okay, so how long since you've been taking care of Miss Nora and how long since you've known her?
I know Miss Nora from over 60 years now.
So,
Over 50, call it 55 years then.
well, you grew up in Blenheim?
Yes,
Okay, so tell us about some of your interactions with her as a little girl.
as a little girl, this lady was a kind person. She used to operate that shop down there. And whenever time, she's a lover of children. Whenever time children go there, she will give them, like she make greater cake. She will always give them. If she used to sell salt fish, and she will always cut off a little. If you want to buy, the mother parents send you to buy half pound of salt fish, she always cut off a little piece of a here and give you to eat. And she give you, she bake, pudding, all your stuff. And she will always share. I remember when I have my second to last child, this lady, I live down in a lane, right down there. And this lady come with food for me. She make breakfast and she take it from me. She was a very good lady, very nice lady. Yes, lover of everyone in the community. Yes.
She is 109.
Yes.
What's her date of birth?
Her date of birth is, I believe it's the 28th or the 23rd of March. 23rd of March,
14.
Oh, you have it, yes.
Taking care of her for how long?
I've been taking care of her, I used to take care of her over 5 years.
Tell us about that. So you're saying that Miss Nora didn't have any children, but she fostered a whole lot of children.
Yes.
Right. So tell us a bit about that. How many fostered children or adopted children she has?
I can't remember she fostered.
Well, at least 5.
Yes, at least 5.
Right.
And then she raised one as her own. That is her grandnephew.
So, question: she has other brothers and sisters?
She have other brothers and sisters, but only one alive is living right up there.
Okay, how old is he?
I don't really know him, but maybe he's in his 80s.
Okay.
She used to tell me why she lived so long. She said she used to she was obedient to her parents, yes, and she served God. That's why her life is so long.
She has any specific fruits or food or herbs? What does she eat? Or what's her favorite food? What she likes?
She likes soup. From a long time. She'll call it pot water. She likes soup. Yes. And she likes to cook salt fish. Salt fish. You like to cook salt fish and fish. Yes.
Right. So in terms of like now, I know she's 109 or so on, but what about her hearing and her eyesight and so on? She's confined to a wheelchair now. She can't walk.
No, her foot don't get weak.
Okay.
But yeah, her hearing is not so bad enough as a seat. It's not so bad.
What about the eyesight?
And the eyesight is not so good neither.
Okay.
As you can see.
Yes.
There's a push up her eye.
So she still goes to church because she's a member of the Blenheim SDA church.
Yes, but she don't go to church again.
When she was younger, she used to so she was a shopkeeper.
Yeah.
That's what she mainly did.
Yes.
Okay. So she was married. Ever married?
She was married to Nora Welch. He died.
You remember how many years ago?
How many years ago now? I still remember.
But they didn't have any children.
No, they didn't.
Okay. You remember Bustamante? You knew Sir Alexander Bustamante?
Bustamante.
You remember Sir Alexander Bustamante?
Yes, ma'am, I remember.
She said she used to know Bustamante. But I don't really know. She don't talk anything that's about him.
Okay. Alright, what is special about Miss Nora that you do want the rest of Jamaica and the world to know?
She's special because she's a very God-fearing person. Yes, and she live a life in the community where others can look up at. She was a good Christian lady, and she still is. Yes, someone who can look up to. Yes.
Well, she used to do like community work. I know she had the shop and so on. She used to do like community work and the church work and so forth.
Yes, she used to be a head deaconess of the church, and every Thursday she come and tell her that she loved children, and she used to gather every children that she can gather and go and help her, and she take lunch with her. Sometimes take bread and butter and lemonade, sometimes take bula, and she would encourage us as children as she clean. When she was 100 years old, she used to cook. Yes, look about breakfast, look about lunch, look about dinner. And she used to take care of her husband when she was 100 years old.
So her husband lived to how old?
Her husband lived to 90 something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she used to like walk. So when was it that? When did she stop being able to walk? You
I
remember?
believe it when she was 107.
Oh, so like 2 years ago
Yeah.
in the pandemic.
Yes.
Okay.
She break down and then they said she have COVID. I was in a hospital. I believe we go look here. And then come and then what I call it? When?
Vaccinate her.
No, then quarantine us.
Oh, quarantine. Oh, okay.
Quarantine us for 2 weeks. And then test us. I know we don't get no result. That means we never have it then.
But they confirmed that she had it.
Yes,
And she survived COVID
Yes,
at 107.
Yeah, she covered COVID. Yeah.
That shows the strength
Yeah.
of her
Yes.
body.
Yes.
Shadora?
She not used to rough me.
So you have to
So
take
me have
time
to take care of her.
and take time with her.
Take time with her.
Yes.
Yeah.
Auntie Nora?
Hello.
Okay, so bye-bye.
Bye bye.